All right, so I've been working on my house quite a bit, and this weekend I had to do some plumbing. I had a spigot break and crack, and it started leaking. And there's not a shutoff valve before my spigot, so it had me thinking. There's probably a lot of people out there that don't know how to cut the main water supply to their house, and I'm actually going to show you guys how to do that right now. So a lot of people have probably seen one of these in front of their house. It'll actually say water meter on it. Anyways, you just want to lift this up. Move that. And that's actually your water meter. And that thing right here is actually where your water supply comes off of. If the city ever turns this all the way and puts a lock on it, that's because you haven't paid your bill or something like that. I grew up poor, I know this shit. Anyways, with these, you literally just put a crescent wrench on it. On mine, you actually, oh, don't forget, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So if I'm gonna shut the water supply off on mine, you just turn it to a 90. But on other ones, you actually have to turn it a full 180 to where this cap is actually facing the other way. Or wait, it would be this way. Anyways, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and you can actually go inside and make sure the water is shut off. But mine, you have to turn it to a 90, and if you turn it to where it's parallel with this, that means my water's on. So right now I have my water on. But a lot of these you actually have to turn it a full 180. But this is actually really good to know in case you ever have a leak in your house and you need to shut off your main water supply and wait for a plumber or somebody to come, or if you can fix it yourself. All right, so I'm back in my house right now. I'm in the kitchen area, but I just thought that would be a really good video to make, a really good video to share, because that's something that everybody should know, even if you're not confident enough to work on your own stuff. If you have a water line break and you don't know how to shut off the main water supply and there's not a shut-off valve for that water line, your house, you're either going to have a huge mess or a lot of water damage. Anyways, as always, if you like this video, if it helped you in any way, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I just posted my first plumbing video, so check that out also. Anyways, I'm out.